Hello, I am Ayush Singh from Couple Coders. Today we will learn about conditional statement. If you want to learn, you will, else you won't. Conditional statements in C language are used to implement condition logic. These conditions allows us to do stuff if specific conditions are met. If conditions are not met, we can do some other stuff. To really make this point clear, let's look at an example. Consider you will play with your friends if it is a sunny day, and if it's raining, you will just frown alone. There are two types of conditional statements in C: if-else and switch. Syntax for if-else statement is if bracket condition curly braces expression 1 else curly braces expression 2. Run this statement if given condition is true, else run this statement. Example: if age greater than equal to 18, print you are an adult, else print you are a baby. If age is greater than or equal to 18, we will tell user that she is an adult. But if it's not the case, which implies age is less than 18, then we will tell user she is a baby. This is all about if else. Let's move on to switch. The switch. Switch in C is a special conditional statement. Switch is a multi-way decision that tests whether expression matches one of constant integer. Switch only works on integer type data types, such as integer character, short, long. Switch expression, case, constant expression 1, colon, statement 1. Case, constant expression 2, colon, statement 2, default statement. This is starting of switch block and requires variable name, which you want to have conditions on. This part specifies what you will do if your variable has different values. For example, if value of variable is constant expression 1, we will execute statement 1 and similarly execute statement 2 if value is constant expression 2. Default is a statement for last condition, which is meant to be executed when all other cases fails. Let's look at an example for more clarity on the topic. Here variable a is what we want to apply condition on. Case 1 represents when value of variable is 1, we will print hello world. Notice this break statement. Switch statement execute all the statement below the matched case. For example, if value a is matched to 1, then by world and why is this world will also be printed if break statement is not specified. If none of the cases match to variable a, then default statement is executed. This is it for conditional statement. And please consider to like and subscribe if you learned something.